What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail here in Dallas, Texas. Happy Monday, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today we're working on a brand new 2022 Tesla. We're going to be doing a one-step paint correction with a 9-year ceramic coating and a 3-year glass coating. So this one is going to be pretty fun. Overall, the vehicle it's really not in bad shape until I noticed a couple things. So let me show you really quick what I'm dealing with, how we're going to repair it, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I went ahead and obviously we taped the plastics on the edges. I'll tell you exactly why I went ahead and taped the rubber pieces as well. Overall, guys, this is a beautiful color, really nice, guys. Unfortunately, right when I started just assessing the paint, making sure, you know, there was no major stuff, I don't know if the camera is going to capture it, but right in this area right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is some swirl marks like crazy. And I noticed this right here. This is a brand new Tesla, guys. So right off the bat, I saw this burn and I started noticing that they had previously messed with this paint. And I ended up figuring out that there's a scratch right here, right in this little area right here. And they tried to repair it. And obviously we have a little bit of, we got some paint burn where they kind of burned through the clear a little bit. And you can see they left their tracks. They left their trail of polish and compounds, as well as on the door. And that's really the only issue I see on this paint. But I don't think the camera will catch it, but it is heavily swirled. They did a number on this one. Visually, I can see it, but that's a reason why you always want to tape your plastics, because if not, you're going to burn that plastic. That I can't repair, unfortunately. But we're going to do our very best to repair a little bit of the scratches that this vehicle has. Obviously, in the shade, guys, this thing looks really beautiful. But we're going to go ahead and get started on this one. We're going to be using Coach Chemi F6 for the correction, and it should turn out really well. So let's get started. Alrighty, guys, this car is finally done. It came out so amazing. I was able to obviously we fixed all the swirls. There was a nice scratch right here, but I was able to repair that. We removed all the polish off the doors. Unfortunately, right here they burned through the clear, so I was not able to repair that. And it's literally right in this area here. The plastics, they are burnt, but we removed all the swirls on this, and this thing cleaned up so nice, guys. Look at that. We did a one-step paint correction with a 9-year ceramic coating. Look at that. Whew, that is nice. But anyways, really quickly, guys, just wanted to talk a little bit real quick about corrections, and I hope I don't make the video very long. I'm pretty much done with this car. We started at 10 a.m. I think right now it's like 2 p.m. so that kind of gives you a time frame on how long I've been here. But when you're dealing with a brand new car, guys, do you have to do a thorough one-step? The answer to that, in my opinion, is no. You could do just a paint enhancement, right? Maybe using, when I say a light enhancement, guys, when I do a light enhancement, I'm using usually like Coach Chemi M302. This is their very micro cut, but it gives you the most gloss, right? And theoretically, I was going to use just M302 on this paint because it was a brand new car. So I was like, okay, you know, it doesn't need a heavy, not a heavy, but it doesn't need like a thorough one step. After really assessing this paint, guys, I decided to go with the handy dandy Coach Chemi F6 that looks just like this, and we use it with a yellow Rupes pad to make sure we got a lot of the defects off of this paint, and as well as all the swirls. But the swirls you can use like Coach Chemi M302, and you'll be able to remove like the holograms. But initially it was going to be only Coach Chemi M302. That way it gives me the most gloss, and it didn't cut a lot. But after really seeing this car, I had to go with F6, which is my favorite one. I have to order more. But when dealing with brand new cars, guys, do you have to do a one step on them? I don't think so, but it's just an opinion. I mean, at the end of the day, we all detail different, we all polish differently. Some people get a brand new car and they want to wet sand it down and do 3 steps. I am nobody to judge, but in my opinion, when the paint is in really good shape and the clear is there, we have good readings, I'm not gonna deteriorate the clear or wet sand it down just to make it look, you know, 1,000 times better, when a nice one step like this one literally does the job. But anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed day. And before, I think usually everybody asks, what was the cost of this project today? This project here, a 9-year ceramic coating, guys. This project here was a total of $1,800, guys, with a $200 deposit that the customer previously have given. But due to the weather, we had to kind of postpone it to a later date because the weather was just not helping. So, you know, coatings, I usually take deposits because they're the bigger ticket items and I don't want to lose out. But that was the total cost on this vehicle. I know some of you may say, wow, you know, that's a lot of money, or, you know, you robbed the customers. But at the end of the day, guys, the cost is based off, you know, your work, the durability of the coating. That, you know, some people may say, wow, 9-year coating is not gonna last. The answer to that is really, it's all in your maintenance, guys. And, you know, some people say, hey, Carlos, what's your warranty on something like this? The warranty I give this, it's not even from the factory. My warranty is from myself, from installing it, from maintaining it, from following up with you from the moment that you reach out to me. That's my warranty to you, is that you're gonna find me at any given time and I own up to any mistakes I do. So that's the warranty. I don't even look at there's these things, lifetime warranties, all that. I don't believe in those warranties. I believe in the warranty that I give you, right? When I look at you and I say, hey, if anything is wrong with your vehicle, I will take care of it, right? So that's a little bit of how I do warranties, right? People be like, do you give warranties? I give warranties off, 1, if you get on the maintenance plan. 2, if something bad happened to the coating and I installed it incorrectly, I will take care of it. I have always been there for all my customers that get coating, so they know that if anything, I will be there for them. So that's the warranty, is you're getting my word that I will make sure that your coating is always good. So I hope you guys have a blessed day. I didn't want to make this video very long anyways, so it was very short. But anyways, you guys have a great Monday. Be safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.